Hello viewer, welcome to the YouTube channel FahadYounas. Today I will discuss the topic reproduction in humans. Introduction. The male reproductive system consists of organs, glands and hormones that work together to produce, store and deliver sperm for reproduction. Male reproductive system. The male reproductive system includes the testes, epididymis, vas deferens, prostate gland, seminal vesicles, and penis. The testes produce sperm and testosterone. The penis delivers sperm to the female reproductive system during sexual intercourse. Male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is a complex set of organs and structure responsible for producing, transporting, and delivering sperm to fertilize an egg. It also plays a role in producing hormones, primarily testosterone, which is responsible for the development of secondary sexual characteristics and the regulation of reproductive processes. Here is an overview of the skin components of the male reproductive system. Point 1. Testes. The testes, also known as testicles, are a pair of oval shaped organs located in the scrotum. They serve as a primarily main sex gland and produce sperm and testosterone. Point 2. Scrotum. The scrotum is a sac of skin and muscle that houses and the testes. Its purpose is to regulate the temperature of the testes, keeping them slightly cooler than the rest of the body to maintain proper sperm production. Point 3. Epididymis. The epididymis is a colloid tube located on the back of the each testis. It is responsible for storing and maturing sperm, allowing them to become capable of fertilizing an egg. Point 4. Vas deferens. The vas deferens, also known as the deductive deferens, is long muscular tube that carries sperm from the epididymis to the urethra during ejaculation. Point 5. Seminal vesicles. The seminal vesicles are glands located near the base of the bladder. They produce a fluid rich in fructose and other substances that nourish and activate sperm, forming a significant portion of semen. Point 6. Prostate gland. The prostate gland is a walnut sized gland located just below the bladder. It produces a milky alkaline fluid that makes up a portion of semen. This fluid helps neutralize the acidic environment of the female reproductive tract, enhancing sperm survival. Point 7. Bulbrantal glands, also known as copper glands. These small glands produce a clear, viscous fluid that lubricates the urethra and neutralizes any remaining acidity in the urethra prior of to ejaculation. Point 8. Urethra. The urethra is a tube that extends from the bladder through the penis. Its severe a dual purpose, carrying urine from the bladder and transporting semen during ejaculation. Point 9. Penis. The penis is a male organ of copulation. It consists of three columns of erectile tissue and is responsible for delivering sperm into the female reproductive tract during a sexual intercourse. Point 10. Sperm. Sperm are the male reproductive cells produced in the testes. They contain the genetic material necessary for fertilization. Female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of the ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix, and vagina. The ovaries produce and release eggs. Fertilization of the egg occurs in the fallopian tubes, and the fertilized egg then implant in the uterus. Female reproductive system. The female reproductive system is a complex set of organs and structure responsible for the production of eggs, ova, fertilization, pregnancy, and the production of female sex hormones. Here's an overview of the key components of the female reproductive system. Ovaries. The pair of ovaries are the primary female reproductive organ. They produce sex ova and female sex hormones including estrogen and progesterone. Ovulation, the release of an egg, typically occur monthly. Fallopian tubes, also known as oviducts, they are two slender tubes that extend from each ovary to the uterus. They serve as the site of fertilization where sperm meet and fertilize an egg. Uterus, womb. The uterus is a muscular pear-shaped organ where a fertilized egg implant and grow into the fetus during pregnancy. It consists of three layers: the endometrium, inner lining, the myometrium, muscular middle layer, and the premetrium, outer layer. Cervix. The cervix is the lower portion of the uterus that connects into the vagina. It contains a small canal that allows sperm to the enter of the uterus during intercourse and serves as the barrier between the uterus and the vagina. The vagina is a muscular elastic canal that connects the cervix to the external genitalia. It serves as a passing way for menstrual blood, childbirth, and sexual intercourse. Breast. While not directly involved in reproduction, the breasts play a role in nourishing a newborn baby. They produce milk during lactation. Mammary glands. Within the breast tissue, mammary glands are responsible for milking production. They are activated during pregnancy and breastfeeding. The female reproductive system is regulated by a complex interplay of hormones, primarily estrogen and progesterone, which are produced by the ovaries and play a central role in regulating the menstrual cell, ovulation, and pregnancy. Fertilization. Fertilization occurs when sperm and egg until the sperm of zygote. This process takes place in the fallopian tube and is the beginning of human development. Pregnancy and childbirth. The male reproductive system consists of the testis, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, urethra, and penis. Sperm are produced in the testes and travel through the vas deferens during ejaculation. Thank you for listening and learning with us today. We appreciate your support for FahadYounas channel. Please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching my video.